An array is a collection of objects, pictures, or numbers in rows and columns. Arrays are named by the number of rows and number of columns in the array. In our first array, there are 5 rows of red cars with 3 cars in each row. How many cars are there in all? Count the red cars. 5 times 3 equals 15. In our next array, we have 3 rows of red roses with 5 roses in each row. How many red roses are there in all? Count the number of red roses. 3 times 5 equals 15. In this array, we have 6 rows of treasure chests with 4 chests in each row. How many treasure chests are there in all? Count the number of treasure chests. 6 times 4 equals 24. Now, we have 7 rows of footballs with 4 footballs in each row. How many footballs are there in all? Count the number of footballs. 7 times 4 equals 28. In this array, we have 1 row of leaves with each row having 4 leaves. How many leaves are there in all? Count the number of leaves. 1 times 4 equals 4. Here we have 2 rows of crayons with 2 crayons in each row. How many crayons are there in all? Count the number of crayons. 2 times 2 equals 4.
If you liked this video, please click on the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when new videos are posted, please click the bell.